Hey, my name's Colton Richardson, and doing a bike check because I feel like it. I just painted my bike. So starting at the back. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I have Alex rims laced to a salt hub, a 12 tooth. I'm pretty positive. I just have some random ass chain. I don't even know. I have a McNeil 33 tooth sprocket. Then I have my Fit cranks with shitty Welgo pedals. Yeah, and then this shitty plastic ghetto seat. My Sunday second wave frame, white, just like my cranks. My floor compressor. And then moving on up, I have my red Sputnik stem. Yeah, and some random headset that I got, whatever. I bought the whole bike and then repainted it and got new cranks and stuff. And new grips. Then I have a Harrow fork. Don't really enjoy it too much. I want to get a new one. Then I have an RC Hazard hoop laced to a Harrow front hub. Then these bars, I don't know what they are. They're just there. 28 wide with 8 rise. Yeah. I got the Odyssey tires here. These are really sick tires. I love them. So sick. And I don't know what else to say.